Good morning children, welcome to your GK class. So this video is for class 5 students, and today from your GK book we are doing page number 51 and the topic is adventure sports. We'll be doing about some sports which are adventurous. So let's begin children. So the first sport that you can see out here, this is called surfing. Okay, and here you can see the person how he is playing the sport surfing. Surfing is a surface water sport in which an individual, a surfer, uses a board to ride on the forward section or face of a moving wave of water which usually carries the surfer towards the shore. So this is actually what is done in surfing children. He uses a board to ride on the forward section or in the face and with the moving wave of water. So this is the sport of surfing. Here you can see other two pictures of surfing. This is a water sport where the individual who is playing the sport, he moves along with the waves with a board to ride. Next we'll talk about, this is also a water sport and it is called rafting. Rafting and whitewater rafting are recreational outdoor activities which use an inflatable raft to navigate a river or other body of water. So this is rafting children. Next we'll talk about adventurous sport which is known as rock climbing. So here you can see the lady who is climbing the rock. Rock climbing is a sport in which participants climb up, down, or across natural rock formations or artificial rock walls. The goal is to reach the summit of a formation or the end point of a usually predefined route without falling. So this is the main aim of the sport, to complete the climbing of the rock. It might be artificial or it might be some natural rock formations, and the main aim is to reach the summit of the formation. This is what is done in the sport rock climbing. So here you can see some other pictures related to rock climbing. Next we'll talk about snowboarding. So this is snowboarding, and in snowboarding what do we do children? You can see the board, and the person who plays this sport, he usually rides the board. Snowboarding is a recreation and competitive activity that involves descending a snow-covered slope while standing on a snowboard that is almost always attached to a rider's feet. It features in the Winter Olympic Games and Winter Paralympic Games. Okay, so this is about snowboarding. Next you can see the picture of snowboarding out here, how the snowboarding is done. Next we'll talk about adventurous sport which is known as paragliding. And in paragliding, what is done is children, paragliding is the recreational competitive adventure sport of flying paragliders. It's lightweight free flying foot launch glider aircraft with no rigid primary structure. The pilot sits in a harness or lies supine in a cocoon-like speed bag suspended below a fabric wing. So here, as you can see in the picture, he sits like a cocoon over there, the pilot, in a harness which is known as a speed bag and which is suspended below a fabric wing. The orange color part is the fabric wing children. So this is paragliding. Here you can see some other pictures of paragliding. Next we'll talk about hang gliding. So these are some of the pictures of hang gliding. As you can see, hang gliding is an air sport or recreational activity in which a pilot flies a light non-motorized foot launched heavier than aircraft called a hang glider. Most of modern hang gliders are made of an aluminum alloy or composite frame covered with synthetic sailcloth to form a wing. So as you can see the motor here of the hang gliding. So this is how it is made, and with the help of this hang glider they go for hang gliding. So this is how the sport is played. Okay children, so these are some of the adventurous sport which are being played. So this is it children. Now we'll come to the exercises. So the first, you have to identify the sports, and the first one is surfing, second one is rafting, third one is rock climbing, fourth one is snowboarding, fifth one is paragliding, and the last one is hang gliding. So this is it children. With this we are coming to the end of the exercise. This much for today. Thank you children.